Hi guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam, and today we're gonna make saltine crackers.
We're making pancakes!
Yay!
Yay! Because they're supposed to be salty and sweet.
Grab your pan. Salt.
That is a pan.
Oh, wait. Oh shoot.
That is a
Grab
bowl.
your bowl.
Okay, yep, stop.
Sugar.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Hi guys, today we're doing Cooking with the KAM Fam, and we are making
Saltine Cracker Pancakes. It's breakfast for dinner. All right, first things first, we're gonna open this package of saltine crackers. This is one 16-ounce box. We are only gonna use 2 sleeves of the crackers. So you can each get one. You need to crush them up, but don't do it loudly.
I'm gonna eat
Make sure they don't pop open. Crush.
crush them in the open them.
You're gonna crush and dump them in the bowl.
I'm gonna put the crackers.
A little hole of air.
It's fine, however you need to crush them.
No.
She's doing her hands.
I'm getting this.
Out of the corner of my eye, I see a sweeping motion. All right, if you're done, dump them in the bag or the bowl.
They're still really big.
It's fine, you can crush them as you open them too. But let's not make a big mess on the table.
I'm gonna be the one to clean it up.
You heard her say that, but in reality, you just like the same. All right, next thing we need is 1 3/4 cup of milk. One 3/4 cup of milk. We'll put it down so she can see.
Yeah, you got that. It's right there. Stop. You still need more.
Yeah, you still need more. It's not there. Now it says you might need a little bit more at the end if still not there.
No. No.
That's better.
Perfect.
All right, so you're gonna dump that right into your crackers. Now it could be up to 2 full cups of milk. It just depends on how much they absorb. Oh, look at that goodness right there.
That looks disgusting.
Wet crackers, that's what we're going for. All right, so we're also going to add 1 egg and these 2 tablespoons of melted butter. All right, make sure you use that spoon and beat the egg.
Cover the butter?
Sure. All right, she's gonna mix that around. We need a 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Get some ground cinnamon right here.
That's sugar.
Oh, what?
1/4 teaspoon.
It's really small.
Now, I eat crackers with ramen, but I don't know about pancakes.
We're gonna find out. It sounds weird, but it might be delicious.
Cinnamon cracker pancake? What's
We
the
need
cinnamon
2
challenge?
tablespoons of sugar.
If this video gets 100,000 likes, the KAM Fam will do the
I
cinnamon
want
challenge.
to do it.
Oh,
What it?
Mommy,
I don't
can
know what that
put
is.
it
Good
in?
to know. 2 tablespoons.
Can I put the sugar in?
You you're going to be the taste tester.
Oh, yeah.
It smells like cinnamon Takis.
Yeah, it does.
Now the sugar's going to balance out the sweetness, the saltiness.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and one thing I forgot, vanilla. And that is it for ingredients. So we will see if we need...
A taste tester.
More milk. This looks like oatmeal.
Right, if we'll need any more milk. Can I take a sneak peek?
I want to get a sneak peek.
Not a sneak test.
Hmm.
Ugh.
Make sure.
Nasty.
I might add a little bit more milk. Okay, stop stirring, please.
Thank
you.
More milk.
All right, we're gonna add just a tad more milk while the vanilla comes. Oh, here it is. We're gonna do a splash of vanilla, so about a teaspoon. But I like vanilla, so measure with your heart.
Whoa.
That's good. Don't stir yet. All right, we're gonna add a little bit more milk and then we'll be back.
That's a little.
That's good.
Dang! That is not a little. Oh, okay.
All right, mix it up, and then it needs to sit for about 5 minutes before we put it on the griddle to absorb all these flavors.
Sure got a lot of flavors.
All right, that's good. That's good. Let it sit. All right, we're gonna make predictions. What is your prediction?
Horrible.
Horrible? You don't think it's gonna taste good?
No.
Oh, what do you think?
I think they're gonna taste like protein pancakes and taste disgusting.
Mm-hmm.
Protein pancakes? There is no protein in saltine crackers, so I don't think so.
Save that to the box. There's 1 gram.
Protein pancakes have like between 15 and 20, not 1. Kevlin, what do you think?
What do you mean? What do you
Are these pancakes? Look at me. Are,
think? They look good.
are these pancakes going to be tasty or disgusting?
Tasty.
There was crackers.
Tasty. All right, we're going to clean up this mess and we'll see you at the griddle. All right, so is this important to saltine crackers? Nope. Or saltine pancakes? It's not, but it is a good way to grease up the Blackstone.
Who doesn't love some bacon?
Bacon.
For some bacon.
Hear that sizzle. What are your thoughts on breakfast for dinner?
I think it's wonderful. It's easy. It used to be cheap. Still cheap in retrospect. But the salads don't leave home without them. Everybody has a pocket of paper towels, especially when you're griddling.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All right,
It's called
Bacon.
make and do.
is flipping.
If somebody didn't bring the tongs.
You're here to the rescue! Tongs to the rescue!
Okay, thank you.
All right, this bacon is not crispy. Are you crispy bacon or flexible bacon? What kind of bacon are you?
I don't like bacon.
You don't like bacon. What kind of bacon are you?
I guess I would say crispy though.
I made it crispy.
Crispy but not burnt.
Crispy and chewy. All at the same time.
No, I like the one where you can make bacon bits, like crisp.
Crisp, crisp.
Let us know. How do you like your bacon? These bacons are almost done.
I like my bacon so I don't have to cook it. Because
She
making
likes most of her food.
making bacon is messy. Oh, I'm excited to put these pancakes down. All right, the bacon is coming off, which means The pancakes are next. Yeah, these pancakes are not even going to wait for the table. We need to try a sneak peek, sneak taste.
Yeah, hopefully they're good. Let me know in the comments. Were they good? Because I'm going to eat them cold, probably.
So, what is your prediction? Because the girls are not too sure. In fact, one of them may have even said, why can't we just eat normal food?
Some of y'all are probably thinking this is clickbait. This is not clickbait. Y'all saw it. It's saltines. They're supposed to be crunchy.
It'll be great.
All right,
And
guys.
soaking in the milk. They won't spread much, so make sure you put them down and
So I
flatten
gotta
them out a
spread 'em
little.
out.
A little bit.
Oh, we might have to do just a couple at a time, guys, because a long spatula for saltine pancakes.
All right, now let those sit.
All right, we're gonna get another batch going. It's almost like smells like apple butter in these.
It looks like oatmeal.
It looks like oatmeal. I can see that.
So how long do you cook?
Till they're done.
All right, guys. So we're gonna
Ooh,
at that.
look it.
that
Oh, they look so pretty.
What makes
isn't. They don't look like pancakes, guys.
We're just like, let's try.
They don't look like pancakes? What do you call that?
They look more like some sort of hash.
You could have made it like a pancake scramble and then added the fruit and like
Yum.
scrambled it up and put the syrup and then put the fruit on top and you eat it like in a bowl.
Yeah, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna flip the other ones too, or what?
I think they're ready, yeah?
This one looks pancake delicious.
Oh, those will be the kids.
Taste testers.
Some that looks like egg foo young.
Yeah, like
Like the little egg patties you...
oh, Terrence is trying to sneak a bite, guys. That's disgusting. Just kidding. Not really sure how you tell when the saltine pancake is done. Might have to just cut one open. Take a bite.
Well, I think we need to dress it.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know there's dressing to it too.
So we'll be back. I said you get to try it first. You ready?
Okay.
Evelyn,
Watch out, you guys. This griddle is hot.
look at McKenna. What do you think? That was yummy?
I want some more. I want some more.
Just wait. Does it work?
The cinnamon is the only thing that makes the crackers taste like nothing.
They taste good.
It's not bad.
Go grab the camera.
It actually tastes like something. I just can't.
Yeah, I want some more.
It reminds me of like Christmas.
It reminds me of a Rice Krispie.
I think it was delicious.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, a win.
That's yummy in my tummy.
It tastes like
What do you think?
a dessert. Not like I don't know. It tastes
Are
like
you cooking
yeah, it
me a
tastes like something
baby
we've
pie?
had before.
Like pancakes?
No, not like a pancake. Like it tastes like a. I don't
This
know.
plate is gonna be mine.
That's delicious.
I
Would you
want
make
some
it again?
more. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
And
I
so would
would
you make it
make it.
again?
Sure. I would
All right.
make a 120
Well, there you
pounds.
have it. Saltine Cracker Pancakes.
I want some
Can't
It's a
Fam
win.
saying, let's do it again.
It's a
40
win.
thumbs up. 140
See
thumbs
you
up.
next time.